Good morning, everyone. Guys, most importantly, we will be dealing with electrical engineering on this YouTube channel. You all are welcome to the eSpark Academy channel where we make complex things simpler. And we are here to explain you in very simple language the complex engineering concepts related to electrical engineering. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. I am Saurabh Survase, who has completed BTech Electrical Engineering from WC Sangli, and actually I have been a diploma student in 2012 batch who have stood first all over Maharashtra in MSBT, the gold medalist of 2012 year. Actually, I have 9 years experience in power distribution electrical sector where we will be dealing with the substations, the power transformers, the distribution network, the AT&C losses, and the practical exposure to mitigate the losses and increase the efficiency in field of electrical engineering power distribution. Here, guys, the idea why the opinion and ideas which I would be dealing with are related to the simple concepts which actually each and every tutor of electrical engineering teaches in a complex manner. Here I have come across in my 9 to 10 year experience of electrical engineering and even during my degree and diploma learning period, I have gone through many concepts which were taught in a complex manner by our tutors. I don't say the tutors were bad or some kind of thing. They were good enough. But as a student, during your learning age, you actually find most of concepts difficult to understand. Actually, when we interpret anything, we have to interpret it in a simple manner because if you try to mug up any kind of concept, it finds you difficult to understand. That's why don't try to mug up any of things, just try to understand it in simple language. Here on this eSpark channel, you will be dealing with diploma electrical engineering concepts, engineering concepts, degree engineering concepts, as well as the practical exposure of electrical engineering and the areas where you can find your career astonishing or you can make your career to a high peak. Here I will be sharing you few sort of competitive exams. Even we will be going through the curriculum of diploma as well as degree students. I am here to take each and every concept in more detail, and here on this channel we will be dealing with each and every concept. And first of all, we will be starting with basics of electrical engineering, the fundamentals which are most important and most important foundation which will be helpful for you to start or begin your career as an electrical engineer. As far as electrical engineering is concerned, it is dealing with sustainable development, the energy efficiency, the renewable energy engineers, as well as now the trend is going of AI, but we can implement the AI in electrical engineering also. Most of them are thinking that while commencing their career by 12th science, most of them think we have to go to IT department because the IT job openings are more or the IT market is more good, or you can say lot of opportunities are there in IT market in AI and others. But if you go actually in depth of electrical engineering, you will find out there are numerous opportunities in electrical engineering. Basically, electrical engineering also provides you the government jobs as well as you can be an entrepreneur in the electrical field of manufacturing as well as services, as well as in renewable market, the globally growing market, as well as in sustainable development, and as energy auditor also, because the Bureau of Energy Efficiency is also been providing a certificate which will be dealing with electrical, mechanical, and civil three core engineers who will be able to get through that exam. But I want to just tell you guys, you just focus on concepts which I will be teaching in each and every lecture. One by one, I will be going through concepts from the electrical engineering in upcoming lectures. Here we will be covering your curriculum as well as your project, and you can ask any kind of questions or any kind of queries in your comment boxes. Through comment boxes, you can also suggest me the kind of lecture which you want to learn from me, or a concept which you want to ask me related to your career or related to electrical engineering basics or any kind of electrical machine or any kind of electrical project which you want to know about and you want to excel about. Hence, I want to conclude my first lecture by saying that each and every lecturer or any kind of tutor who is trying to explain you the concept, you have to keep learning consistently. The consistency in learning which will lead you to success in life. You will get succeed in life only and only if you do keep concentration on your regular studies as well as correlate it with practical exposures. You try learning electrical concepts on basis of practical exposures, and from onwards, when I am going to teach any kind of concept to you, first go through your from 5th standard upward to 10th standard physics also, because electrical engineering is directly proportional to the physics concepts. That's why you have to first by heart the concepts, or you can say understand the basic concepts related to electrical, protons, neutrons, nucleus, or any kind of chemistry and physics related concepts correlated with electrical engineering. I want to conclude this lecture by my introduction, and already I have given my introduction in it. Still, I am trying to explain you